You can see right here.
It's going down, bro. This shit is going down, bro.
Wanna see?
Got it.
Hotness.
Bro, I was born for this shit, bro. If I go in fire, I will resist the fire.
You will resist fire.
In this video, we're making the hottest spaghetti ever in the history of spaghetti. And right here, these guys are going to eat this spaghetti after they finish making it. Here's the twist. You have to eat this spaghetti without saying... Oh my God.
Shit.
Oh man, they watch me.
I'm eating a chef as fun as this. Shit.
They watch me. Spider-Man.
Yeah, which pepper dish? Our death is here.
My God.
The most spiciest spag ever made.
Yo
My
guys,
God.
you guys are finally here and you have 3 minutes to finish your spag. If you can't finish this spag in 3 minutes, then I go home with my 100k. But if you finish the spag, 100k for both of you. But here's the twist. Here's the twist. If you do while eating this spag, you are going to take a sip of confirmed bitters. For every you do,
My
you're
bro.
going to take confirmed bitters.
I don't collect this boy, people.
Are you guys ready?
Jesus, I'm not ready for this shit, bro.
I will manage.
I ain't ready for this shit, bro.
Are you?
No problem.
Okay, there's no problem.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Finish this in 3 minutes.
3 minutes it is. Your time starts now.
Jesus!
Don't make a sound.
When I'm in the battle.
Don't make a sound.
Okay, let's take it easy.
Don't make a sound or the game is up. 3 minutes and you guys are still playing. I thought you said you can actually finish this food in 3 minutes.
Bro, I can't.
Then finish it.
The way I'm seeing things right now, it's not going as planned.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Keep it coming. You have 2 minutes on the timer. You guys have 2 minutes.
My brother, look at you.
This happened every this one now.
God, I beg. Which time? Which time this one? Eh?
Ah, no.
You guys are still wasting time.
My brother, I'm trying my best here.
You have 1 minute more. 1 minute 30 seconds.
3 minutes to finish that rice. Even if I suppose I try and spaghetti when cook like this. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
No, correct.
Jesus Christ. For Bible, don't you see me stay free 10,000?
No.
My brother.
No, bro.
Eh?
You have 1 minute. I'm going to go home with my 100k. I'm going home with my 100k. I can see you guys are not serious.
Come on, pepper with this hole.
You just did. You have no sip.
Yeah, come sip. Come sip.
You have no sip. You have this.
My God.
You must sip today. This is an egg with this.
I know the robots now.
you never see anything.
I'm like, because like, my pepper 1.5 for a small spag. Hey. I think continue, man. I chop egg.
No, don't do.
Hey, don't do. No.
Oh God.
Hey.
Don't catch me. Oh, God.
I don't forgive you guys. Carry your cup. My landlord is here.
So for those of you watching, in case you don't know, the drink actually makes the pepper even hotter.
Jesus Christ.
You have 5,
More,
4, 3, 2,
No pasta.
and 1.
Bro!
You guys,
Jesus!
I'm actually going home with my 100k.
3 minutes to chop this cigar. Carry money. Having your money, bro. I'm not chopping again. Do you want tea? Jesus!
100k, if you buy coffee.
Don't you get off my brother.
I'm like,
My friend went there last week because he was your better.
I beg my brother.
Even though say I win, if I die, he look away to marry
We
me.
fit drink this one. We fit drink it.
Free drink.
We can drink this one. Carry your food.
If I die,
Your 100k.
if I die now, the 50k no see my money finish sef. Does you collect loan to still bury me? Make easy by the cost my family. Jesus.
After all the mouths,
My brother.
We don't know how.
after all the
I
mouths,
say heavy is the crown that carry the weight. How they talk that again?
heavy is the
you're
weight
right.
that carry the crown.
Like,
Heavy is
You're
the
right. You are the primary school where you go.
My brother. Jesus Christ.
You guys can continue eating.
For free.
Yes, now.
And you go carry 100k, more just the
I'm gonna do the chop.
I won't carry my share go house. Take away. You see the job, you go purge you.
My brother. This guy no.
Na pepper, you dey see, so no be sauce.
Guy, I don't high. I'm high on pepper right now. How many can you see?
Na 4
I dey see 5, bro. This pepper, I'm high.
No, sir, you see one shop.
No chop again.
Man just do the egg. You carry the.
Do the eggs. Do the eggs.
Man just do the egg.
Do the BFs. Do the BFs, right? Hey!
So guys, if you
try.
actually think you can eat, if you think you can eat,
Don't challenge me. I challenge you. You can't do this shit. You can't win this
Be
thing.
your native doctor for community.
You don't no jazz no of this thing finish, bro.
No be 3 minutes for instance. You dey want me?
The pepper no be here, bro.
after all the mouths, this is where it ends, right? 1 full spaghetti, make it spicy and finish it in 3 minutes. You hear what you were saying in the kitchen? You eat spicy for a living.
My brother.
Say you be Yoruba. Say you be
Omo Yoruba.
My brother, na fake. My father give me. I go do DNA. I'm Yoruba person.
Omo Igbo.
Omo Ina.
Okay guys, catch you on the next episode.
Yo, bro, it's still your boy David, bro.
Please subscribe to
I'm
that
coming
channel.
back, yes.
Subscribe.
Normally,
If you
just-
want to see more of this, please just hit the subscribe.
Normally.
Like our video, share, please, guys, please.
I beg. Man, did that for now. Man, chop passport for now again. Man, chop passport.
No be one spoon be that.
I they come.
No be one.